Welcome to Beyond Press channel. We are again here at Power Factory and we are going to do one more crimping machine video. And if you have watched the earlier videos, you have may notice that the stuff tends to get in the between of dies. So Mikko from Power got this idea that we should put everything inside of steel tubes. So now the steel tube is going to prevent anything to get from the between of those dices. So now we should get better results. So we have that big toilet paper, hockey puck, tennis ball, golf ball, and maybe something else if we figure out something. Yeah, but I think we are going to start now.
Let's crush.
So we have our brave pig inside of the machine. I'm not sure, does he look like happy or scared, but but we are going to crush him anyways now. Anni, are you ready?
Yep.
And here we go. He doesn't make any sound. I think we are ready. We made this armored pig and we break a couple of bolts which attach those dice tools into the machine, so we have to change them. And yeah, this is like armored pig, or then it's pig with the heat sink, so it cools very well now. So next one is the hockey puck, and we decide that we should crush first little bit and then turn the steel pipe and hockey puck to prevent that big catastrophe happening again. So here we go. Jostain tosta. And let's continue the crushing. Uh-oh. Seems that the steel pipes weren't the best idea. Luckily it wasn't my idea. And we are still continuing, and now we have golf ball. And here we go. Yeah, looks still good. It sounds like it's going to fly quite soon. And now we have hydraulic golf ball cannon. We are trying to shoot out the golf ball from that pipe, so let's see how it works. So antaa mennä. Turns out that it didn't work. Here is the end result. Most of the golf ball is stuck into the tube, and here is the original diameter, and here is the crimped diameter, and there was some steel between of those dies, but we still managed to crush this, and these are extremely thin and sharp, so be careful if you are doing this at home. At this moment we decide that we have broke enough bolts from the machine and we decide to stop because this isn't clearly working. And this was also our last video with this crimping machine. We had planned to use the bigger one, but the Finpower had too tight schedule for the big machine, and we didn't have enough time to film with that. But when they build next one, then we are going to film it. So if you want to see some videos with the big one, you should order one. So then they have to build one and we can use it. Yeah, but I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.